Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we are going to make this very cute milk tea together, so let's start it. First, we need to do a magic ring, and then we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over once again to do one chain. In here, we need to do 6 single crochet for our first one. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. In here we can put a mark, and then we do 5 more single crochet for this round. So after the 6 single crochet, we just pull this end to close the circle, and then in the marked place we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, and then yarn over, and then go through the loop directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round, and then we put our hook into the marked place. We can put this top on top of our hook to carry it, and here we do a single crochet, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. We put a mark. For this round, the pattern is of single crochet increase. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet, so we need to do 1 more single crochet in the same stitch, and then we just do our single crochet to repeat it to the end. 1 stitch, 2 single crochet. So after the last single crochet increase, we take out off our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For this round, we only crochet the half stitch. We need to put our hook into the center of the stitch, just like this. Only the half stitch, put our hook into the center, and then yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Make a mark, and then for this round we need to crochet only the half of the stitch, all single crochet around, just like this. After the last single crochet, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do 1 chain, and for this round the pattern is our single crochet around. We just crochet it normally. We do the full stitch, put our hook in the mark place, like this. We do a whole stitch, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. Then we make mark. We just repeat it to the end. We need to change our yarn color in the very last stitch. Now I have 1 stitch left. We just put our hook in and yarn over like this. In here we need to change our yarn color. We grab another color in here, and then we hold this end on the back, and then we yarn over, go through 2 loops, just like this. And in here we take out the mark. We put our hook in the mark place. We yarn over, do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start, and do our single crochet around for the next 4 rounds. In here we can put the long end and the another end of the another color on top of the hook to carry it. So just repeat 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to the end, and do a slip stitch, then do 1 chain to start our next round I'll single crochet around and then a slip stitch. We need to do 4 rounds in another color. So I just finished my vanilla single crochet for this color and jump to the mark place. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then we do 1 chain, then we can snip off. Also, if you don't have the fillers, you can use some like short yarn to fill those in. So now we are doing the lip part. We do a magic ring first. Put our hook in, yarn over once again to do 1 chain. And in this round, we need to do 7 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops on our hook. We make a mark, and then do 6 more single crochet. After the 7 single crochet, we pull this end to close the circle, and then take off our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and yarn over here, pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain, and for this round the pattern is our single crochet increase around. We put our hook in the mark place, and we can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. Yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here we can make a mark. In the same stitch, we need to do 1 more single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops. We just repeat it. 1 stitch, 2 single crochet. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will update this once a week. Also, I've linked my Instagram in my description. You can check it to see my daily crochet work. So after finish the very last single crochet increase, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then we need to do 2 chain. For this round is a half double crochet round, but we need to crochet in the half of the stitch, like the thing we did earlier for here. And we yarn over, then put our hook into the center of the stitch. Just like this, only crochet the half stitch and yarn over. We should have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, go through the 3 loops at once. In here we can put a mark, and for this round we crochet up the half double crochet in the half stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 3 loops. Yarn over, put our hook in, and then go through 3 loops. We just repeat it to the end. After finish the very last half double crochet, we just take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. Here we do 1 chain, and then we snip off. And now we are going to do the straw part. We do 5 chain first. We make a knot just like this, and then we do 5 chain. In the second chain from our hook, this one, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here we do 1 chain, and then jump to the hole in here. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do another slip stitch. Then jump to the next stitch with this one. we do a slip stitch. Next one is a slip stitch. Then comes to our last one is also a slip stitch. So after that we do one chain and then snip off. We need to tie those two ends together. And here, this is our lid. We put our hook from back side, like in the center, like this. And then we grab this two little yarn here. You also can use a needle to do it if you're not like comfortable with it, with using a hook, like this. And in here we need to tie them again on the back. So for this little end, if you want, you can use a needle to weave the seam, or you can just use a glue to hide it inside. And then we just use a hot glue to make them together like this. And you can leave it like this or add some decoration like those two. So this is about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.